This is video 3. I'm kind of going to do a crossover video about what I have going on. My name is Seth. I run True Kings Academy, and I also run Open Arms Healing. True Kings Academy is coursework and sessions, like one-on-one sessions for the divine masculine. And this is for spiritual men who are looking for a larger community that are need other like-minded men around them. The whole objective is for us to learn how to protect, provide, heal, and lead. Protect, provide, heal, and lead on a spiritual level and on a physical level. We keep each other responsible. There is a WhatsApp group that men can continue to talk even outside of the coursework or after one-on-one sessions. This is our new t-shirt line. And obviously it's the sword and the shield, and the roses in the middle, right? And again, the whole principle is for the divine masculine to protect the divine feminine principles so that we can lead together, so that there can be herogamic union, there can be balance on the earth. So that is my focus on men. That was one of my visions from God, is to help the men step into their thrones in their hearts and be more supportive of the feminine. 1. 2, I have Open Arms Healing. Open Arms Healing is for the larger collective. I will be guiding people to some divine feminine goddess courses led by some beautiful divine feminine women that are in my life that have been running these courses for years. But Open Arms Healing also will be providing workshops in 2025. Smaller ones that you can drop in for an hour or two, and some longer ones that might happen over a weekend. Okay, there's going to be more talks about what you can do spiritually, how you can evolve, how you can find greater community, and then how the divine masculine and feminine can come together and work together. So be on the lookout. If you are part of True Kings Academy, please follow the other page, Open Arms Healing. If you are in Open Arms Healing right now, please go follow the other page, True Kings Academy, for the men and the men in your life. I will be doing both at the same time because I have been diligently working on both for the past few years. I am an educator, but I am a forever student. I am led by God in the white light of God, and that's who I mess with. There are other teachers in between, archangels, ascended masters that I speak with, but ultimately this is all driven by me being a vessel for God. So I hope you join us, and I can kind of cross promote here. Jam.